I thought the whole world was an 18th century impressionist. Everything ran together. The colors weren't vivid, they weren't sharp, but virtually immediately I got the clarity, the sharpness, and the colors. I remodeled the kitchen over the summer, and I'm not so sure it would have come out the same colors today as it was in July. You must do your research. As Terry indicated, you don't want just anybody messing with your eyes. So there are a lot of good resources out there, the internet, of course, and not only to be able to research your physician, but the lens products themselves. The one that I chose, highly recommended by Dr. Wang, is quite different than the traditional hard lens. When it's installed, it's fixed for distant vision, but as you begin to read, the lens will flex and adjust to the length or the distance between you and whatever you're reading. And heretofore, we just didn't have that opportunity. But by all means, you have to do your research. And the reason that I chose Dr. Wang, this is my third seminar, by the way. It's not because I just like the pizza, but it is good. But I came to the July seminar and gathered a lot of information. But like Ronald Reagan says, you got to trust that you got to verify. So I did a little research after the July seminar, and I came back in August and went through the August seminar. And I knew by then that Dr. Wang, if he would take me as a patient, would be doing the work for me. Simply because his history in the field, his professional reputation, his accomplishments, and also very, very important is his philanthropic activities. I think that's quite important. You and I have jobs. We go to work every day. Dr. Wang has this is his life, and he's extremely passionate about this. When I left his office, or walked out of his office, middle of October after a post-op exam, I'm ahead of him, and he says, Robert. I turned around and I went, you no longer have cataracts. They are gone forever. You will never have them again. And, well, I told that story over Thanksgiving, and my daughter says, it's incredible how passionate some people can become with their work. And that's the type of physician you need to do the work on something as valuable as your